I'm sure you've seen those viral videos all over TikTok and YouTube, and you probably wondered, how do they even make these? Well, today I'm revealing a secret AI method that creates these videos in seconds. No After Effects, no animation skills, just pure automation. And the best part, people are already making thousands of dollars per month with this exact style of video. This niche used to be complicated because creating motion graphics required advanced tools and hours of editing. But with the AI tool I'm going to show you today, you can make professional quality videos instantly. It's basically like Midjourney, but for motion graphics. By the end of this video, you'll know how to make high-quality videos step by step using AI, so stick around. We'll break this down into 4 simple steps anyone can follow. First, we need a powerful story idea. For that, we'll use ChatGPT, but first, we'll train it using real viral examples. Go to TikTok or YouTube Shorts, find a trending educational or fact-based video and copy its link. Then go to a tool called Talk Transcribe, paste your video link there, and within seconds it will give you the full script. Next, open ChatGPT and type, "Analyze this script and tell me what makes it engaging." After ChatGPT gives you the breakdown, reply with, "Now write me a new viral-style script about an interesting US fact or statistic." Notice that many viral channels focus on US-based content. That's because the RPM, revenue per 1,000 views, is much higher for US audiences. So focusing on US topics means more income potential for the same number of views. That's your first step done. We've got the perfect video script ready. Next, let's create a voiceover. Go to ElevenLabs, an AI voice generator that creates ultra-realistic voices. You can use the free version or the $5 month plan for higher quality. Pick a voice that fits your channel vibe, something energetic and clear. Paste your script into ElevenLabs, press generate, and listen to the preview.
Do you know these mind-blowing facts about the United States?
Perfect. Now this is the step where I will reveal the secret tool that I have been talking about. I present you this AI tool called Hera. Hera is the best tool to create AI motion graphics in seconds, not hours. I've explored Hera and it really has the ability to deliver graphics literally in seconds, which would take us hours to make manually. I'll drive you through it, and you will see how user-friendly it is. If you're still watching, I have to say, you're pretty lucky since you didn't give up before exploring this amazing tool. If you are one of them, then comment the word chill in the comments so I know you're serious about YouTube automations. Press try Hera here for free and then log in with your email. Once you've logged in, it will direct you to this tab here. If you press the Get Started button, it'll bring you to a quick 3-minute guide on how Hera works. Make sure you check that out. But for now, let's go to Explore Templates. We have a ton of templates we can use here: charts, motion graphics, logo animations like Gary V's or Ali Abdaal's. But most importantly, we have these templates that we need to create our own videos. Anyway, let's try one out. I know all of you are excited to see how it works. Press this one and then press Use this template. It will direct us to the editor. You see how user-friendly and not overcomplicated this looks. Now let's go back to ChatGPT. Here we see that the first places we talk about are the US and California. So we first need to highlight the US, then zoom into California. Now back to Hera, set the ratio to 9:16 for the vertical format, and it automatically fits the map perfectly. Then on the prompt section highlight the United States first and then zoom into California and highlight it. Submit it and within 20 seconds, it has delivered this beautiful scene: smooth zoom, accurate highlight, truly a game changer. You can also edit the video, scale the footage, move or resize text, change colors, and even attach images like flags or logos. This gives you full creative control. If you appreciate this information, please support my work by subscribing and saying something nice in the comments. Anyway, Hera also lets you attach SVGs and custom fonts, so you can fully brand your videos. Now I want to show you how we can include chart graphics too. For example, ChatGPT says California's economy would be the 5th largest in the world if it were a country. We can visualize that easily. Ask ChatGPT, make me a graph of 15 countries that California would surpass in GDP. It will generate a chart, download that image, go back to Hera and select a chart template. Change the ratio to 9:16 again, attach the chart, paste the data context into the prompt, and in seconds, Hera will recreate a motion chart with your data. It's truly amazing. If you feel the same, let me know in the comments. You can even highlight multiple regions like Alaska and Texas. Just describe it in the prompt, and Hera will generate a perfect animation in seconds. It offers 10 free daily generations in 720p. But I highly recommend the Pro plan for unlimited prompts and up to 4K resolution at 60 FPS. This is amazing if we compare the prices with competitors like After Effects or Geo Layers. The link for Hera is in the description. Now that we've generated all the visuals and voiceovers, let's put everything together. Open CapCut, start a new project, and import your clips and voice. Step 1. Place the voice on the timeline and trim the gaps for smooth pacing. Step 2, drop your AI clips in order, adjust their speed to match the narration. Step 3, add transitions for better flow. CapCut has free and pro transitions, even the free ones work great. Then, generate captions automatically and tweak their fonts and colors. Finally, add some background music and sound effects. Short whoosh sounds work perfectly for transitions and map zooms. Once everything's aligned, hit export. Here's your final result.
Export, and here are the results.
Do you know these mind-blowing facts about the United States? Most people know that the United States is one of the most powerful countries in the world, but did you know these shocking facts about some of its states? If California were a country, its economy would be the 5th largest in the world, ahead of the UK, India, and France. The state generates over $4 trillion annually. Alaska is the largest state in the US. But did you know—
Incredible, right? And you just made it with AI. No camera, no mic, no editing headache. Now imagine doing this daily. One video a day could build a channel faster than ever. The tools are ready. It's your turn to take action. Comment AI creator if you want more tutorials like this, and subscribe for next week's video, where I'll show you how to fully automate your upload system using AI tools. Because the future of content creation is AI, you're either building with it or getting left behind. See you in the next one.